Hey carpet cleaners, John here, and in this video I want to talk about how you can create one piece of content and repurpose it and turn it into multiple pieces of content that you can put all over the internet across all social media channels so that your carpet cleaning business is omnipresent, so that it's absolutely everywhere. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called Ads Grow Business. We specialize in one industry and one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only: getting carpet cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing program. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many carpet cleaning businesses as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis in our specialist program or through this YouTube channel. So let's dive right in. Hey guys, so let's dive into the content where I'm going to talk you through how you can kind of create just one piece of content and then leverage that, repurpose that across all of the internet, across all of social media to make multiple pieces of content so that you are everywhere. Basically, if you want to take your carpet cleaning business to that next level, if you want to basically scale your carpet cleaning business, make a ton of money, dominate the market, take your competitors out of the game, then it's all about digital marketing, it's all about branding, and it's all about being omnipresent and being everywhere. If your customers are seeing YouTube videos about your carpet cleaning business, if they're seeing stuff on Instagram, on LinkedIn, on Facebook, on TikTok, Twitter, and so on and so forth, if you're like literally omnipresent everywhere, if you're getting in front of like the absolute mass market, you will literally dominate your area. You'll take everyone out of business. You will be booked out with jobs and you'll be a very, very rich person. And you'll have a very successful carpet cleaning business. The big problem that people come up against when it comes to actually making this a reality and leveraging the organic side of like digital marketing and social media is they seem to think they need to make like all of this content. It takes time and all of that, and it's, you know, it takes a lot of effort and all the rest of it, right? And that's actually not true. And in this video, I want to walk you through how you can make like a 15-minute video or a 10-minute video. And then from that one piece of 10-minute video, you can make like 5, 10, 15 pieces of content that you can then distribute across social media. And actually, you know, with probably like an hour's work a week, you can basically have all the different channels on social media and across the internet completely packed out with like awesome content that's getting in front of your customers and generating new business. I'm going to walk you through how you do that. And right now it's super easy. It's super straightforward. This is exactly what I do. This is exactly how I promote my digital marketing agency for carpet cleaners looking to get more jobs on autopilot. On a Monday every week, I record 3 videos, 3 pieces of content. This is exactly what I'm doing right now as we speak. Like this video is like part of that process. So every week I'll record 3 15-minute videos talking about a topic. In the case of like a carpet cleaner, you know, let's say you've got 10 jobs that week, record 3 of them. Maybe one's a carpet cleaning job, maybe one's a tile job, maybe one's upholstery job or whatever. Record 3 of them, record the actual cleaning taking place, and maybe do some commentary. Maybe you just film it on your phone, talk about the job or whatever on the video. Maybe you give some advice to homeowners about maintenance of their carpet, of their upholstery, tile or whatever. As well as part of that, it's like 15 minutes. You just do it while you're actually out working. It doesn't take up any extra time. You actually film whilst on the job, film the job, give some advice, talk about the process, film it on your phone, and that's it. Do that like once a week, like 3 jobs. This is going to take you like an hour of your time or something. And then what you do is you take those 3 videos and you're going to like chop them up, right? So for like a YouTube format, it's slightly longer format, right? It's like 5, 10, 15-minute videos is what I'm talking about. Then you take that very same content and for like Instagram, you chop up the best 3 minutes, right? Because, you know, nobody watches videos for 15 minutes on Instagram. So you basically chop it up, that 15-minute video, into the best 3 minutes. And that's your Instagram potential piece of content. You can also like take a screenshot from the video, like a still. Now you've got like an image post as well as a video post. Awesome. You can extract the audio from the video and you've got a podcast. So now you're hitting the podcast. Now you're on Spotify, you're on Apple Podcasts, you're on YouTube. You've got images and shorter videos from that same video on Instagram. You got tweets, you got Twitter. Again, do you know what I mean? You can basically take like a quote from that, and that can be your tweet and then a link to the actual content. You can then take that same stuff and that can be being put onto Facebook. Again, still images, shorter versions of the video, so on and so forth. All from that one piece of content. You can chop it up. Now, there's a number of pieces of software out there that will allow you to like do that. Do you know what I mean? One that I found is a piece of software called Veed that will allow you to basically like make all of this like social media content for the different types of channels like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and it's like super easy. It's really, really, really cool, super cheap. You can do really cool stuff with it. So I definitely recommend checking out Veed.io. Or the other option is, and probably like again, as an entrepreneur, as a CEO, as a business owner, you want to be taking as much of the day-to-day off your plate so you can kind of focus on the bigger picture, running the company, taking it to the next level. So again, I would go on to like Fiverr or something like that, and you will find like some really good like low cost like video editors and stuff like that who will be able to basically edit the content for the different types of platforms. You know, they'll be able to take that one 15-minute video, be able to chop it up, make it look fancy, put some graphics over the top, and then basically make different versions of it for the different social media platforms. You'll be able to find somebody on Fiverr that'll be able to do that for you really cheaply as well. And that would probably be like my preferred thing. So like in your scenario, you basically, on a Monday, the 3 jobs that you're on, you record the cleaning process, like 5 minutes of it, like a couple of minutes of you talking about the job to get people like an insight. Hey, yeah, today, you know, we got severely soiled carpet. This person's got like 19 cats. We're going to be using these products. This is what it looks like now. You actually cleaning it, and then here's what it looks like afterwards. And, you know, guys, girls, women, husbands, wives, just some advice in terms like, you know, if you do have a lot of cats and stuff, in terms like maintaining it, so you give some value, do that. And then basically you record like 3 videos like that on a Monday, just while you're on the job. You send it off to your guy that you found on Fiverr, and they send it back to you, all the different ones, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, blah, blah, blah. And then what you can do is there's various pieces of software that you can get that will allow you to basically upload all of that stuff to all the different platforms on autopilot. So one of the softwares you can use is Crowdfire. And basically what's great about it is you can just basically upload like all of the content to this software, and it will distribute it and post it on autopilot to all of your social media platforms without you having to do it manually, like one by one. And again, you could even have, you know, pay like a virtual assistant or hire somebody off Fiverr that not only edits it but that will upload it as well. And so like literally all you need to do is like on that Monday record those 3 bits of content, and out of those 3 bits of content they will edit it, switch it up, turn it into like 10-20 pieces of content that can then be distributed across social media, and they'll even upload it. I'm telling you, once you start to do that, you know, make sure in every piece of content in the description or in the post you have that link to your website or to your landing page so that people can schedule with you. If you're doing that and you do it constantly and consistently, you'll get a compound effect, and before you know it, like your phone will be ringing absolutely off the hook. So that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis, head to the description of this video where you'll find all the necessary information. See you on the next video, guys. Peace.